How do we prepare an emulsion? First thing to do is to select an emulsifying agent. Emulsifying agent or emulsifier prevent liquid that don't ordinarily mix from separating. For example is oil and water. They will be able to mix with the help of an emulsifier. So what is an ideal emulsifier? It should be compatible with the other ingredients, stable and do not deteriorate. It should be non-toxic, little odor, taste or color, and is capable of emulsifying.
There are many types of emulsifier. The first is natural emulsifying agent. These are substances derived from animal or plant. The second type is high molecular weight alcohols, which are used as thickening agent such as stearyl alcohol. The third type is finely divided solids like bentonite. And the last is synthetic, which can be anionic, cationic, or non-ionic.
Methods of preparation. Dry gum method is a combination of oil, gum, and water with parts of 4 to 2 to 1. Wet gum method has the same proportion as dry gum but differs in order of mixing. Bottle method has parts of 3 to 2 to 1 or 2 to 2 to 1. It is a combination of oil, gum, and water shaken vigorously in a bottle. Auxiliary method can be prepared by wet or dry gum method, but hand homogenizer is used. In situ soap method, under this method, calcium soap and soft soaps can be developed.
How to dispense emulsion. It should be packed using tight, amber-colored containers, preferably white mouth, for easy pouring. Should be stored at room temperature. Special labeling such as "Shake well before use" should be attached to the container. Emulsions are affected by heat, cold, light, air, and microorganisms.